Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we have something kind of fun and special, new to me, and we are going to be unboxing this ColourPop Mystery Bag. I think it was $20 or $25. I can't remember, guys. I'm so sorry. I just bought it the other day and it was delivered. This baby is packed full of a whole bunch of ColourPop products, and I have no idea what's in here. So let's get going. It is a Ziploc pouch, a super cute leopard print. I'm just going to dump it out on the table here. Oh my goodness. There's so much product here. So let's just see what we have. I'm just going to pick things up and show you guys. So the first thing, this BFF black on black. I have seen that ColourPop just released mascaras, so yes, we got the black on black BFF mascara, and your girl forgot to put her mascara on, so let's try it out, because as soon as I'm done here, I am actually going out to have an amazing time with a super special guy. So that's what it looks like. Of course, black on black. Now they do have a whole bunch of colors. It doesn't look like we got any of those today, but black works perfect. So let's just take a second, because my eyelashes are naked, y'all. Those are naked eyelashes. Do you see? There's nothing there. Let's see. So here's our wand. Perfect. The absolute type that I like. The formula doesn't seem to be too wet, so it's not clumping my lashes together, which is amazing. There's one coat. Can you see? Nothing. One. Let's try the other side. This is a super thick formula. So that's nice. That's what I prefer. I hate the wet ones because they clump your lashes together, in my experience, and then they're just a mess to get off, and God forbid if you sweat or anything else. One coat on both eyes. This is ColourPop. I am impressed. The first thing out of my bag, and I'm impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat on, because you know, I might have to flutter these things tonight. Gorgeous. Super cute. It looked like I had a black dot in the corner of my eye, but I don't. Super cute. Absolutely loving this. We're gonna play some more of this. Let's keep going. What else do we have? Okay, we have a Super Shock shadow right here in the color Sequin. We're not having too good a lighting. Let's see. Can you see that better? About there. Let's take it out and see what's actually going on in this. The box kind of shrouds it a bit. Oh, I love their Super Shock shadow formulas. So there's that. It's kind of pinky copper. They're so soft. I mean, that's so pretty. So pretty. And love. Not a bad product yet. Let's keep moving. We got another Super Shock shadow in the shade Party of 5. This one appears to be more purple. Let's take it out of there. Oh, yes. This one is like a darker version. It looks like it's got some blue and green reflex in there. Oh, yeah. This one's like a more pink version. That's this one right here. So this one's more orange and this one's more red. God, did you see the shimmer on that? Whew! Serious shit right there. ColourPop does not play around with these Super Shock shadows. They are just the shit, and that's it. So, you know, like, not mad. The next thing we got is a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Pinch Me. Comes with a nice little holographic box around it. Oh, goodness. I love with all of this stuff so far. All right, so this is a nice, like, lavender pinky. Oh, almost dropped it. Lavender pinky color. Oh, the goodness. It feels just wet. So good. Can you see? There she is. Oh, so gorgeous. And I don't have any highlighter on my face today, so let's fix that problem. I'm gonna use my Luxie highlighting brush because it's one of my favorites. And we're just gonna dip right in there. Let's see. Well, this brush is not working. It's not working at all. Let's try my Morphe highlighting brush. Guys, see that it's picking up the highlighter, but there we go. We're getting a little bit of payoff there, but not the way I would like. So, go to the old beauty sponge. This is like a gel. It's a super soft gel texture, so no, I don't even know how to apply this because it's not going on. But I'm getting glitter on my face, but not. Maybe got a little bit there. I don't know. If y'all know how to use these, you tell me what brush works better. Because I'm not a fan of using my fingers to highlight with on a normal basis. I'm looking for a pencil brush. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Like, it looks like I dug into it with this pencil brush, and I really did not. So, I'm just gonna dot that in there. Like, maybe this is something that you just apply with your fingertips. I don't know. Smolder out. I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. I love the I mean, it's beautiful on my fingers, but it just isn't going on my face like I had hoped. But that's okay. Moving on. We still have all of these. Oh my gosh, all of these products left. So let's go here. This is a pressed powder shadow individual in the color Snake Eyes. It'd be perfect if I was going to the casino tonight, but I'm not. All right, let's swatchy swatch. Super soft, like most ColourPop shadows, and there she is right there. Beautiful color, gorgeous. Put that in one of my Z palettes. Thank you, thank you. I need to wipe this stuff off my hands. Couldn't find my towel. Whoops. So, how many of y'all got this? Did we get different stuff? I haven't watched any unboxings of it yet, but I'm curious to see if we all got the same stuff or we all got different things. Do you think they brought this out to kind of introduce this new BFF mascara? It kind of came out at like the perfect time, so maybe they planned it, maybe they didn't. Okay, so we have an ultra blotted lip in the color Doozy. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that's nice. Kind of a corally pinky shade. Let's give a little swatchy right here in our hand. A little bit of a red. It's like, it's showing up more red there, but it's actually like kind of like a dusty pink, but it does have a lot of pink in it. Super cute. Also, we have ultra glossy lip in the shade Champagne Mammy. Let's check that out. I hear my dog tapping around out there, so I feel like he's gonna bust in. Ooh, y'all, I was just gonna swatch it without showing you. This is gorgeous. I wish it was a doe foot, but it's a brush, and we put it right next to it, so it's right here. So that's nice. I'm not a big fan of gloss. But I might be able to put it over something, try it out. My face itches now. Got an itch. Okay. Next thing we got is a ColourPop Lippy Stick in shade Ziggy. Alright, Lippy Sticky, and it appears to be like kind of a brown. Yeah, it's kind of a brown, kind of mauve-y brown type color. Not my kind of color, but you never know, I might need it for a look or something. So not bad. That's the only thing I'm like disappointed in so far in the box. I wouldn't even say disappointed. It's just like, might not be able to use this. But the next thing we got, I'm gonna hand myself, is a Luxe lipstick in the shade Solo. And this is the Velvet Blur formula. Comes with Ultra Luxe packaging with tiny little stars on it. And then we pop this bitch open and she is red. Little stars on the lipstick as well. So super cute. Let's swatch away. And this is definitely a fuchsia pink. It definitely comes off more pink than it shows here. So all very cute. But honestly, I think they're all very wearable shades. Now that that brown has dried down, it actually looks pretty cute. So not bad at all. That is everything, y'all, that I got in this little ColourPop mystery bag. It's pretty exciting. Totally think I got my money's worth. Absolutely excited. Gonna work with this highlighter, this Super Shock Cheek highlighter. Figure out how to use that because I want to glow. So thank you so much, ColourPop, for coming out with these and letting me get my hands on one. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit like if you like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know, did you get the same thing in your bags? Did you get something different? What do you think of this mascara? Oh my goodness. I think, like, guys, it's pretty amazing to me. It's pretty amazing. But anyways, I shall see you all very soon. Bye!